Hello everybody, we're here at Thousand Islands Toyota. My name is Dawson, and today we're going to be looking at the 2021 Toyota Corolla LE front-wheel drive. So this vehicle does come with a 1.8 liter four-cylinder engine, produces 139 horsepower and 126 foot-pounds of torque. Does come with 16-inch steel rims. You have on the inside, nice clean design, nice comfy seats, a decent sound system for your long tours. I really like what they've done with the contrast between the dark grays and the piano blacks on the inside. They did a really good job with that. And these seats are very comfy, so good for long drives or just from point A to point B in town city driving. So here we are in the back seat. So there is actually a large amount of room here, especially considering that the Corolla is not a large vehicle. It's not an SUV by any means, but I'm just over 6 feet. I tested it where the front seat was all the way back, and I still have leg room and headroom. So I'm fairly impressed when it does come to the Corolla. We do also have nice armrest / cup holder there for you guys, and it is comfortable in the back seat as well. So this really is all around a very good vehicle. So here we are. I apologize about the sun flare there. So once again, we do have a lot of space here in the Corolla. Despite its size, it is really a king or queen of utilizing what space it has here. Just fantastic. Tons of room in the back for large grocery shops or sports. Plus you get the 2 mats there in the back as well for the different seasons, so a nice added bonus there as well. And here we are at our last stop in the driver's seat. So we have a nice set of gauges along with the multi-information display. Really nice for nighttime driving, very easy on the eyes. The multi-information display is very easy to access. Just need to use this directional pad along with the back button. So you can go left or right, up or down, super easy, really nice interface. So we do have the dynamic radar cruise control and the lane departure alert. We've also got our trip distance. We have the lane tracing assist, the pre-collision system, the blind spot monitoring, and the rear parking sensors. Any messages that pop up, your digital speedometer, your total average, and what you have for your eco mode. And then we do have our 8-inch display here, so really nice size display for the size of this vehicle. Definitely stands out, very prominent. And we do have the touchscreen along with the physical buttons and the tuning knobs on both sides, so definitely a nice feature to have, with lots of different hookups for music. And then we do have our climate control, which once again, very easy to use, very nice on the eyes. Can definitely appreciate it 100%. And then we do have a wireless charging pad on top of that underneath. So a really nice added feature actually, for when you're on the go and you have your phone, you know, kind of at a low battery point, you want to charge it up quick. They are relatively fast at charging actually, so that is also a very welcomed feature. Traction control, we have our leather wrap shifter, and then we do have 2 cup holders. There's our parking brake, and then we have our USB and 12-volt power supply, along with a nice amount of space inside the center console. There you have it, guys. There's the 2021 Toyota Corolla LE front-wheel drive. This is a great vehicle. If we're talking bang for buck here, value-wise, this is definitely the vehicle. It's great on the highway, great in the city, comfortable. It does have a moonroof as well. I did not mention that earlier, but it 100% does. So that is a really nice feature that comes along with this vehicle as well. Definitely something that you guys should be looking forward to. And if you have not seen it yet, please come on down to Thousand Islands Toyota and take it out for a test drive.